I've had a tire puncture on my car. It doesn't look really deflated right now, but it is. It's really deflated. Just press it so you can see it's totally flat. So I took the tire off the car and I examined it, and that's the culprit. It's some kind of spoke or metal bit that went through the tire. So I've put a spare tire on with Sylver, and now I just have to fix this tire. I've thought about taking it to a tire repair shop to get it sorted, but then it occurred to me that probably I should just get something off the internet. And I went online, I tried a tire repair kit search, and I found something that I could use for this. So here it is. It's a tire repair kit. It's got 2 tools in there, some kind of cement, glue, and some strips. So I'll try this and see if I can fix the puncture on this tire using those tools. And it's a DIY project. I've never done this before, and hopefully that will sort my situation. So I've got the screw off of the hole. It's a very small screw, just a small puncture. Now I have to rim the hole. It's a slow puncture, but now I have to rim the hole just to expand it so it will fit. It will be fitting for the yes. So I've got that done. Mind you, it's a tubeless tire. This only works on tubeless tires. So this has to be opened. The sticky bit. Get that off. Put it in the insertion tool. It's a little bit sticky. Put in the insertion tool. In there. Then once you put it in, you pull it through halfway. It needs to be halfway through this. Okay. And once you got halfway through, you get the cement and you put some cement on that. So I've punctured it open, and now I need to apply a lot of this cement on this. It says put a lot of this in there, so put a lot. Don't be shy with it. So I've put a lot of this here, and now I go to the tire and I plug the hole with this. Have to plug the hole, pushing it in. Just about 3/4 in, and then you pull the tool out really fast like that, and then that's it. It's plugged, and I'll just have to cut off the excess on this. And once I cut the excess off, this glue should help that sit, and from the inside of the tire it really seals it up. But I'll trim that off with a knife in a bit. All right, so I've got my tool, my cutting tool. It's not dry yet. The glue is still sticky, but I can chop off the excess on this. Try to cut that without puncturing the tire again. So just get that excess off of that. They say this should fix the problem, and should be able to use this tire for at least another 1,000 miles in here. So hopefully, yeah, that's true. It's a little bit hard to cut, but I just want to get the excess excess off. So everything has got its first time. Might use a scissors if you wish. I'm just using this knife, and be careful so you don't actually cut yourself or cut more holes into the tire. So that's pretty much done, I think. So hopefully the more I use it, the less it will be, you know, the less of it will be here. Probably most of it will wear off. It's quite a tough material to cut, but it's going through. Yeah, I think that's good enough. So that actually fills in there, and it's gonna solidify, become glued. So I'll try it and see what happens. Try pumping it after a while. I'll let it just dry. Once I touch it and feel that the glue is no longer flowing, then I'll know it's solid in there, and maybe give it 5 to 10 minutes to dry. Check it out. Once it's dry, I'll pump this tire and see if I've actually solved the problem, or I really have to take it to a tire repair shop. I'm just gonna make a video about this tire that was deflated, and I had to patch up. So I've driven it for a while. I'm giving a catch-up video on what's happened ever since. As you can see, it's still in good shape. It's not deflated. It's not giving any problems since the day I fixed it. I've driven this car to London and back, and that's twice since I've done this, and most of the times I've really forgotten if I actually patched it up. All in all, I would say I have done about an additional maybe 2,000 miles on this after patching it, and it's been fantastic. So I've not had any issues at all. So I would really say it was a good fix, putting that quick fix tire patching device which I got online.